Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I fell silent. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing another burping rando, but it's not with any fizzy drink this time. This time, I'm going to force it out without using, you know. So yeah. So let's try this. So first burp. Let's try it. Yeah, so not really that good. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just gotta go get some, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I just have to get something immediately. Alright, go on to our second burp. Let me try it one more time. Ready? One last time, guys, then I'm I'm just gonna end the video. Alright, ready? Sorry guys, let me give that one more go. Sorry guys, that's the best I could do. Meh. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell when you want to know when another video is coming. And bye.